Let's start. The project name is the service. Let's see the project structure. At the app level, build.gradle file, set up the view binding. Here we have the main activity and a normal service class. And in the UI, we have an activity_main.xml file, which is the layout of the main activity. Let's see the UI. In the activity_main.xml file, we have two buttons, Start Service and Stop Service. And text view where we display the updates from the service. In the manifest file, we have mentioned the normal service class. The enabled attribute is set to true, but the exported attribute is set to false so that other apps won't be able to start this service. Let's see the Kotlin code now. These are the imports. This is the normal service class that extends the service class. In the onStart command function, first, we show a toast that a service has been started. Then we configure an executor service and a handler to start a background thread, as the service always works on the main thread. In the executor service background thread, we start a for loop and calculate current time in milliseconds. And simultaneously, we call a show result function. When the loop ends, we call the show result for the last time and pass the data that all task is done now. And then we stop this service. The show result function fires a broadcast receiver and transfers the data from the background thread of the service to the main thread of the main activity, and there we show this data in a text view. So we are basically using this broadcast receiver as a callback function. In the onDestroy function, we handle a Boolean variable which is used to check if the service is about to be destroyed or not. If the service is about to be destroyed, we stop the for loop here. These are the imports. This is the main activity. These are the data members. In the onCreate function, first, we set up the view binding. Then, we create an intent with normal service as the destination. When the Start Service button is clicked, we call the Start Service function as pass the intent in it. This will start the service. When the Stop Service button is clicked, we call the Stop Service function and pass the intent in it. This will stop the service. This is the broadcast receiver that receives the updates from the service and shows the data in the text view. In the onResume function, we register the local broadcast receiver. In the onStop function, we unregister the local broadcast receiver. Let's run the app. So that's it. That's how you can implement a normal service in Kotlin Android. Thanks for watching.